White Lightning, Pistol Grip, New York Video Gate. Audio. Ayo, White Lightning, you're blowing up. Pistol Grip, New York Video Gate. Oh, Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Back quiet. I'll tell you what, it's a train wreck around New York. Audio. It's a little bit of a train wreck around New York. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Game rolling. Old Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Game rolling. Me and this 29.5 set with this $9 stock mic back wide.
61 State New York. I thought I was talking to a 461. Call 091. 091.
I think you said 011. Audio. Audio. I think you said 011. Old Pistol Grip, New York Video Game. Let's ride.
New York City, I think it was. Pistol Grip, I think it was. Overtime.
Hey, 10-4 Roger. That was Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Pistol Grip 127 New York City. Old Pork Chop, you all up in my video gate. Hey, Pork Chop, old Pistol around New York, and I'm back wide.
Hey, Pistol Grip, I tell you what, it sounded good down here in Tennessee on 921.
Roger, 921. Roger on the 921. Well, I'll tell you what, man. If I sound half as good in your radio you sound on my video gate, I guess I'm a happy camper. I'm working this 29.5 with a little workman stock mic. The hole in the wall, New York CB shop, back quiet. And for all you truck drivers out there, NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist on YouTube. The truck driver's best friend when he can't get out of radio, but gotta have a radio fix. NYC Radio Wars, the playlist. The first 7 and the last 7 hold the goodies. I gotta go.
YouTube show one last time. Pistol Whip 804
Hey, 804, there ain't no last time. Hey, 804, you know it ain't gonna be the last time. 804, I got the gate rolling. I got the gate rolling. For everybody out here. No about it, out it. I can only talk to my radio. When I can pull it out, I can pull it out. 804, old Pistol in the round, got out.
Dog, man, doing fine job down here in Western North Carolina, Pistol Whip. Man, I hope to get to check out your YouTube show on there if you get it posted or whatever. Definitely look it up there. Sounding good in Carolinas? 804 said it, I'm gone.
Yes, 804. That's Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. No space. No spaces when you type that in. Pistol Grip, like the microphone. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. I'm searching for those other side video gates, so if anybody else working a video gate out here right now, man, link me up so I can label it two-sided. I like when I can label it two-sided. Excellent for both camps. Old Pistol, hole in the wall, New York shop, back quiet. Hey, Ghetto Cat, I could only do it one way. Hey, Ghetto Cat, I could only do it the way I've been doing it at all my CB shops for 3 decades. Hey, Ghetto Cat. Old Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. New York's hole in the wall. CB shop, the most talked about duck plugger in the apple. Got now.
Charlotte, Carolina, 554, Northern Alabama, trying.
I tell you what, this ganja gonna be the death of me. I said, oh, Mary Jane gonna be the death of me. Old pistol around New York. Old pistol around New York. Trying to warm up my antenna. Pistol New York video game. Let's go. Hey, what you want me to talk to you about? You want me to talk to you about something, but you didn't tell me who you are. Old pistol around New York. Old pistol around New York. I gotta go.
Hello, pistol around New York. 85 inch bluegrass waving that hand. Pistol man, tell
85 bluegrass. Look at that. 85 around that bluegrass. Look at that. 85 in the bluegrass. We got a blizzard around New York. Everything is shut down, locked down, and nothing moving. Old pistol around New York, I'm back quiet.
Hey, there's that. Yeah, we got that snowy weather too. 85 just wanted to wave that hand and we get down.
85, you got down, I got up when you got down. 85, pistol grip, 127 New York video gate. 85. Old pistol grip, 127, New York video game, rockin' and rollin'.
Hey, standing good around the bluegrass for sure. 85, wave that hand, we getting all down.
Hey, 10-4 Roger, I'm looking for those other video games out there. I like when I can put, it's a two-sided video gate. I like when I can do that under that label. The old pistol grip, 127 on YouTube. The hole in the wall, New York CB shop, back quiet.
Yeah. He got somebody up there that,